Have you ever heard of a succulent that looks just like a shrub? Well, I'm gonna tell you about this one here. Rockin' Round Pride and Joy by Proven Winners. It's really cool. These are kind of like a stone crop sedum. What that means is they're very, very drought tolerant. So that's number one. Easy to grow, very, very low maintenance. This amazing foliage is gonna form in the spring, and then these flower heads are gonna start to form about midsummer. By late summer, early fall, they're gonna bloom all fall with this bright pink bloom. And then they're gonna get seed heads on them, which are really pretty too. And then it'll go dormant in the winter. And then the best part is, this guy's gonna come back year after year because it's a perennial. And what I really like about this plant is the size. It gets about 10 to 12 inches high by about 18 to 20 inches wide. So that's gonna be almost 2 feet wide. So this is gonna act like a 1 by 2 foot shrub, which is great for borders, in front of your landscape, great in containers just by itself. It also attracts bees and butterflies, especially in the fall. Temperatures are starting to cool and those bees and butterflies are looking for a great nectar source. This is gonna be a great option for them. If you're looking for an easy to grow, super low maintenance plant, literally low fertilization to no fertilization, hardly ever have to water this guy, gonna be great for your landscape or your yard.